Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So are you still entering your shipping details manually? You can use shipping profiles. So shipping profiles on Etsy let you apply the same shipping settings to multiple listings instantly. You're gonna ask me how? I'm gonna tell you easily through the shop manager. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through step by step how to actually set up shipping profiles on Etsy in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we need to open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, then go to the Etsy.com platform. So I'm just gonna go open the website, then go through my account, log in using my email address and password, then go to the shop manager. Tap then through settings, then shipping settings. Then add the shipping profile. Enter the processing time. Shipping basically profiles as well. I'm talking here about the shipping companies or the shipping carriers, delivery estimates, pricing as well. Then tap on Save Profile. Now apply it to any listing you want. Other bonus tips: create separate profiles for domestic and international orders. Then update one profile to change multiple listings at once. You can use calculated shipping for more accurate rates. And that's the whole idea here. So all you're gonna do is just go through the shop manager, whatever you wanna change into the store. It doesn't really matter if it's a payment method, if it's finance related, if it's shipping settings. It's all into the ship or the shop manager. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.